Samla Pynshngain Kurbah khat pras snem karta na shnong Lawbyrwa ha ka jinghikai jong Ian Vincent coach na Australia ulara ya ka Medal Rupa na ka jingjop jong ya ka jingiakop Lieng Sangah Maw Canoe Slalom balapulong ha wahbah Narmada ha Madhya Pradesh da ka Khelo India Youth Games ha kan riu bat nyau tarik Rymphang. Na Meghalaya la leit iakhun ngut ki Samla tang Samla Pynshngain ubalapoi sya ka thong jingjop. Kani kadi kasin banyngkong bagi Samla na Meghalaya kile shim bynta hakani ka jingiakop.
Pynshngain pila bun yathu yaknika hakanu komnu kanika jingyo yak silver medal nakanika Khelo India halukat no kan CMP kanika jingiakop
komnu kai competition state ka pyang sukumen em ma job ma yo ma Lawbyrwa ya silver medal
Canoe nak jela kia mi ben di present apa.
ikai king ta to ngut
Long tak siap mati boleh.
Okay, thank you for gathering together. My name is Ian Vincent. I'm the coach of the Meghalaya Canoe Slalom team, which has just returned from the Khelo India Youth Games in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And we're very happy to announce that our paddler here got the silver medal. Will you introduce yourself to them? What's your name?
my name is Pynshngain Kurbah.
My name is Shenong.
So he's from Lawbyrwa in Rymphang, and Bachkim is from village, which is nearby, and they train on Umtu River down there, and we're very happy to announce that Lung has got that silver medal in a very tough competition. It was actually on the Narmada River, 5th and 6th of February, at a place called Maheshwar, just outside of Indore, on the Whitewater Rapids. It was a very tough course and some very hard competition, but by God's grace, he was able to get second place, get the silver medal for this state. So it's something we're very proud of, and we are looking for a good future for the sport here in the state and for good development. We'd really like to thank those who have supported us, and especially Dr. Vijay Kumar, AIS Commissioner for Department of Sports and Tourism, who has been really behind us all and made this trip possible, and we have to really give him a lot of credit for it, for his support. Thank you very much. Any questions?